Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Grubhub cache. So let's get started. If you want to fix certain problems like slow loading or formatting issues, then this video might be helpful. First, open Settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps option. Then select Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Now tap on Grubhub app. Tap on Clear Data option at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then select Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Grubhub cache. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.